Welcome back to our channel, Hair Squad Family TV. And first of all, thank you guys so much for all the support you give me. It means the absolute world to this channel. Thank you so much for liking, subscribing, and watching our videos here at Hair Squad Family TV. And on the latest news, Duchess Meghan Markle is joining the New York Times Dealbook Online Summit on November 9th, 2:30 p.m. Eastern Time. She will appear in conversation with Melody Hobson to discuss how women can reach economic and professional parity. Other speakers include Maria Ressa, Doug Shepard, Tim Cook, and Matthew McConaughey. So, guys, this is going to be absolutely fantastic. Fantastic. I am loving the company that Meghan Markle keeps. Those fantastic, amazing people that Meghan Markle is going to be working next to. Look at that company. Just look at it. The amazing company of Meghan Markle. I love it. CEO Tim Cook of Apple, Melody Hobson, the co-CEO and president of Ariel Investments. Fantastic. Monica Padman, co-creator and co-host of Armchair Expert podcast. Adam Newman, co-founder of WeWork. Matthew McConaughey, actor, author, and founder Just Keep Living Foundation. This is absolutely fantastic. And the Twitter reactions are absolutely hilarious. People are overexcited to see Meghan Markle, just as we all are. Are you excited as I am? I bet you are. I cannot wait, says Royal Olive. Mary Smith says, I love how she just continues and is true to herself no matter what noise there might be in the background. We love that too as well. We love that so much. Meghan has her seat at the table with global power brokers. Break those barriers from within, says someone called Unstoppable Chai said. Meg, so excited, can't wait to tune in, says Marcia. Facts Matters claps her hands in happiness. We are all so excited. The conversation, I repeat, will center on how can women reach economic and professional parity. Two groundbreaking figures join us to discuss how top-down solutions and reflect on how their shared experiences influence their thinking about creating opportunities for others. It's called Minding the Gap, and this is going to be absolutely fantastic. Duchess Meghan, I love her. We love her. We all love her. Tuning into this one, we can't wait. We cannot wait for this day. So I'm going to. This is going to be absolutely fantastic. Yes, Meg, and someone says absolutely every single person here is absolutely excited and happy for Meghan Markle. Every single time Meghan Markle told us, each and every single one of us, you need to look for that seat at the table. We all need to get that seat on the table, get on that room, like Meghan Markle got on the United Nations room just to sit. She asked for an opportunity to work there at the United Nations. She volunteered to work at the United Nations, and she worked at the United Nations. That's her power. She wanted to be in the room with the top guys, the top decision makers, to help influence change. Even from such a young age of 11 years old, Meghan Markle was able to effect change by writing a letter to Hillary Clinton, then First Lady, and several organizations. When a manufacturer that is Procter and Gamble actually she saw a commercial about Procter and Gamble saying that women all over America are fighting greasy stains. That was so wrong and so bad. And Meghan Markle wrote letters, and at such a young age, Meghan Markle effected change. That's her power. And she's teaching us, each and every single one of us, to fight for change. Fight for change. Be in that room. Pursue that room. Look for that room. Have a seat at the table. And I'd like to encourage each and every single one of you. This is something incredible. And we are all learning something special from Meghan Markle. And for me, it's the level she's hugging with. I love our Duchess, Meghan Markle. And Amazing. I'm looking forward to this. I'm proud of Meghan for remaining true to herself and continue to advocate for gender equality, pay equity, and pay parity. Her commitment and dedication to the causes that she supports is admirable. Keep on keeping on, Meghan. I'm looking forward to this conversation. Really can't add to the wonderful comments on here, but I will. I'm so happy that she has found a life of meaning and can contribute in her own way. Looking forward to it, Meghan. The Duchess of Sussex is working hard. So this is absolutely fantastic. I love how compassionate and resolute Meghan is with regards to women issues. Wonderful. Thank you for the information. Powerful. Love this collaboration. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and leave a comment below. Tell us what you think about this. Are you excited as I am to hear what Meghan Markle has in store for us? And the discussion will be centered on how women can reach economic and professional parity. And I cannot wait to hear what Meghan Markle has in store for us. Buys coffee for paid leave campaign workers. And Meghan, Duchess of Sussex, is showing her thanks to those fighting for paid family leave. The philanthropist gifted workers at paid leave for the US, a group campaigning for paid family and medical leave, $25 Starbucks vouchers through her and Prince Harry's Archwell Foundation. Niels Rocker, Director of Communications, shared a pic of the gift card he received, which was a sign from Archwell and included the message, "Just a little something to keep you going. Thank you for all that you do." The Duchess of Sussex, aka Meghan, bought everyone at paid leave US a few cups of coffee while we were working overtime to save paid leave. Unbelievably classy and necessary. Truly honored to know that she has our backs in the fight to win, Neil Stroker said. It's absolutely a fantastic and noble gesture by Meghan Markle. So thank you guys. Thank you, Meghan Markle, so much. Thank you so much, all the people that are advocating for paid leave, what you're doing. You are heroes. Duchess Meghan also thanked Senators Murray and Gillibrand for their work advocating for paid leave in Congress, according to NBC journalist and White House correspondent Kristen Welker. Now, Meghan Markle, the Duchess of Sussex, emailed Senator Murray and Gillibrand to thank them for pushing for paid family leave and to urge them to keep fighting, according to officials in both the Senate offices, Welker wrote. Duchess Meghan's gestures of thanks come days after she advocated for nationally mandated paid leave for American parents in an open letter to Congress, which was published on Paid Leave for All. In the letter, the mother of two reflected on welcoming her second child with Prince Harry, Lilibet Diana Mountbatten-Windsor, and acknowledged that her financial circumstances provided a level of ease and resources that many American families cannot access. So Meghan Markle said, "In June, my husband and I welcomed our second child. Like many parents, we were overjoyed. Like many parents, we were overwhelmed. Like fewer parents, we weren't confronted with the harsh reality of either spending those first few critical months with our baby or going back to work." Meghan wrote, "We knew we could take her home, and in that vital and sacred stage, devote any and everything to our kids and to our family. We knew that by doing so, we wouldn't have to make impossible choices about childcare, work, and medical care that so many have to make every single day. No family should be faced with these decisions." The Duchess added, "No family should have to choose between earning a living and having the freedom to take care of the child, or a loved one, or themselves. I would see with a comprehensive paid leave plan." Such a noble gesture from Meghan Markle, and she's an incredible, incredible woman. She wows me every single day, every single time. And for that, thank you so much, Meghan Markle. Thank you for all the men, women out there that fighting to advocating for paid leave for women and men across the United States of America. Thank you so much. Thank you guys for tuning into our videos. Thank you for liking, subscribing. Tell us what you think about this noble, fantastic gesture from Meghan Markle. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thank you so much. Be blessed, guys. Love you.